Hello, good morning guys. Dito naman tayo ngayon para mag-shooting basketball tayo. Ang tagal ko lang walang sa basketball practice. Kaya yun sila Jewel, nagbabike sila doon Yan, ako naman nagbabasketball. Hingal na hingal ako Samahan nyo ako guys. Basketball tayo. Tingnan natin kung may pa. May bubuga pa.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Ayan Good you again, mami. Lagi na lang Go, sige, kaya mo yan. Gaya pawis ko, ilang pa lang pawis na. Masarap magpapawis ng basketball. Pag ganito lang init na, di masyado sige, mag-abal kayo. Sige, matutunaw yung ano mo yan, yung grasa. Malakas na katunaw yung grasa yun.
A few moments later.
Hello, welcome to Jewel channel again. We're going to practice bike. I learn how to bike now. Basketball and bike.
Wala na edit yan. Yung shoot edit ko. Hindi mo naman. Careful your hand kasi ano yan. Matigas ang ball. Grabe pawis ko.
Galing mo! Oh, I practiced very hard.
Yeah.
I got the money.
Yes. Yes. Galing Go.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, go!
Kita! Ano ba? Ayun! Galing! Tatlo tayo, iayalo ko dito Yan. Yan ang maganda exercise clothes kasi labas talaga yung ano mo dyan. Ayun! Yay!
Galing mo!
Hello guys, kumusta?
Oh, shoot! Eh! Uy, ang galing ah! Napashoot si Jewel ah.
Yeah, slowly lang.
Eh!
Oh, ang gawin ni Daddy I gotta steal.
Eh! Eh! Pass it to Daddy, pass to Daddy. Para shoot ni Daddy. Eh! Hindi pa nakashoot. Eh!
You know, before Daddy's varsity player?
Eh! Eh! Pass it, good job. Eh! Tamaan ka, Jewel ah. Eh! Wakman! Eh! Wakman! Paltos! Hapo na, hinahapo.
Daddy, I put on pedal with my dad.
Okay.
Yeah, she can do it alone.
I do alone, push on pedal.
Yay, I know that. Eh, wala ka naman. Ano ba yan? Hindi mo nakakasya si Daddy?
So, it is for Jewel and Mommy. Si Atin.
Bagal.
Dito ang natin.
Wala na naman.
Yes! One more? Sige, triple. Yan, ganyan, look, yan. I'll show you how to triple. So, ha? One pump muna, one hand muna. No, like this. No, like this. Like this, oh. Yan, okay.
Okay.
Ikaw naman,
Daddy, can you watch my bicycle?
okay. Si Mami naman muna, Mami muna. Dito kay mami, oh. Sige na, kayo ni mami. Tingnan ko nga sino mananalo sa inyo. Let's see. Who's gonna win? Mami or Jewel? Let's see. Who's gonna win? Go, Jewel. O yan. Shoot. O bigay mo kay mami. O kay mami. O let's see nga kung marunong si mami mag-shoot. O dito. Dito sa malapit. Ganun talaga. Ang sarap lang. Alam ko lang, pawisan ako. Oh. Ayan, come here. Oh, dyan, free throw. Oh, dito. Ngek. Wala. Give some energy. Go, mommy. Oh. Lumapit ka pag dumabot. Ganun talaga kasi first time. Hindi kasi first time mo nag-practice ulit. Dito, lapit ka para ganun yun. Lapit muna, din layo lang layo. Huwag malayo muna. Paano makokontrol? Oh! Oh, isa lang nga. It's okay, leave it like that. Leave it like that. O hindi mo nakita, o tinan mo, shot ni mami yan, o. Go, mami. Oh, shoot! Oh, buisit na naman, o. Toing! Na naman, toing, oing, oing. Go, Jewel. Hala! Dito ka lang, oh. Here, oh. Here, dito ka lang sa ano, para this is for the bike. Yan, sige.
Whoa! A little bit. Yeah!
Be careful sa mga ano, ha? Oh, balik dito, balik. Yan. Dito. Return here. From here, okay? Yeah! Ang galing
I can balance now!
Galing na talaga!
I can balance.
Galing mo! Okay na. Nalo si Jewel. Uhaw. Oh, ayan na, walang tao dito. Pwede ka lang mag-bike, oh. Go, here, oh. Dito, paikot ka rito, oh. This side. Yeah, this side. Go, bike. Okay?
Look!
Oh,
Look at me!
I know. Oh, oh di ba? Oh, it's alright. It's okay.
It's okay, I can let you.
You can manage.
I don't like you to roll anymore.
Kaya nga.
Mommy said push and pedal.
Push and pedal. Oh, di ba? Puro pedal. Naku, bumalik na naman. Galing ah. Good job. Oh, careful. Oh, use your brake, yeah? Use your brake. No, that's not. Hindi naman brake yan. It's a fountain. See, pwede uminom dyan. Pedal. Hi, say hi.
Hi. I know how
Sige, push and pedal, yeah? Go. Yeah, good job. Yeah, come back, eh? Oh, lumagpas. Be careful. Marunong na siya mag-push and pedal. Oh. Galing. Oh, twink. It's alright.